Skrapp.io versus Skrapp.io. Apart from the pronunciation, how do they actually compare? Who are they built for, and which one delivers the best results when it comes to lead scraping? Let's break it down, shall we? Okay, let's start with Skrapp.io, the first one. And actually it's a all-in-one tool, meaning you can extract leads, of course, but you can also verify email addresses. Another point is that it's mainly LinkedIn focused. And once you have created your account, you end up with your dashboard, and we might want to start by creating our list. My first list, and now we can search for leads. Let's click on lead search, and we have two options: lead search or company search. And if you are familiar with LinkedIn or LinkedIn Sales Navigator, all of this might look easy for you. I can search for a specific name, or maybe I would rather type a specific job title. Let's go for marketing communication and PR director, whatever that means. New York, United States. And I only have one result. Maybe let's pick up a more general job title, and it's way better. We have 1,000+ results with these data fields: so lead name, the company name, job role, location, industry, and head count. What's more is that you can see at the right of our screen we have a get email button, which allows us to get the email related to the individual. And that's basically how you search for leads. Now, regarding email finders, you can do it one by one, or so you can do it like with a list, with a CSV file. But we're going to see that in a moment. Now let's come back to Skrapp.io. Whereas Skrapp.io, the first one, was focused on LinkedIn, that one is Google Maps oriented. It is your Google Maps lead generator. So let's think about it a second. On LinkedIn you are more likely to find big companies, whereas on Google Maps you can mainly find small and medium-sized companies. And any Google Maps request can be done by filling two criteria. The first one is the activity part, meaning a Google Maps category. So we have 4,000 different Google Maps categories. For example, a bowling club. Then all four last criteria are location criteria. It starts with the country. Level 1 division, Level 1 division represents the state, and level 2 division the county. But I don't have to specify these two if I don't want to. I can directly type my city. 7 results. So apparently it's not a very popular Google Maps activity. Maybe we can pick up real estate agency instead. As you can see, you have a preview of your data which can be filtered. Maybe some filters which can make sense is close permanently set up to no, and with an email address. And if I click on filter, I will have access to my updated database. Now all that remains to do is to click on export, and I only want to have access to the first 30 data rows. I click on export, and that's it, your job is done. You can take a coffee, go eat, or take your kids to the soccer club. It doesn't matter, because your data is about to get extracted. It is done. So let's get a CSV file. By the way, if you want to have like an overview of all the data fields you can extract, I invite you to click the link in the description, in which you will find a sample. I mean, I can make use of this right now, but there are over like 70 different columns, so I'm not sure it is a perfect moment to do that. The reason I wanted to get a CSV file is to try out the bulk email finder feature. On second thought, it would be more relevant to pick up the second option from a list of companies. I drag and drop my CSV file. Here is the company website, and here is the company name. I select my list and I click on launch. Now let's take a look at it. So as expected, Skrapp.io, the first one, was able to find an email related to an individual, whereas on Skrapp.io we are able to find organizations' email addresses, such as info@, hello@, admin@. What's more is that on Skrapp.io, the second one, we're able to scrap up to 10 email addresses per company. So if you want to give it a shot, you have access to your first 100 leads with the link in the description. And if you want to take advantage of email addresses in the best way possible, I invite you to click the video at the top right corner of your screen.